guys, it is Squish Life here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a vlog of me going on a road trip to vacation. Right now I am in a cabin in the middle of the woods, so Wi-Fi might be hard to get, so I'm going to try to post as much as possible, but I am on vacation and today's video is going to be a vlog and me showing the squishies I brought. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that short vlog of me going on a road trip to Georgia. I am on vacation right now, so the Wi-Fi might not be the best in the woods. Hopefully I'll be able to post this video, but before I go, I'm going to show you guys the squishies I brought on vacation. So these are all the squishies I brought with me. I also brought a Charms LOL package and a Hong Kong package. I'll be opening these probably in my next video. And these are all the squishies though that I brought from my own collection from home.